What's up guys, KS Videos back here with another video, and today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Sim, and as you can see I have more than 25 bees. Yes, I do now. I need to discover 25 bee types to fire the cannon, but in this video, well, my original plan was to just just do like the ant passes, just do like a couple quests, but I did that in the last video, but the files got corrupted. I do not know how. And I need to wait another hour and 40 minutes until I get my free ant pass. So I guess it looks like no ant pass, like no ant challenge video today, but I will be showing some other stuff. So first of all, I have 4 million honey. Yes, I do. Wait, how hard will it be to discover another bee type? Okay. Okay, it's gonna be really hard. I don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bees. I don't have 19 bees, and some of those are really hard to get on mythics, or you just have to pay Robux to get, or tickets. The only bee right now that can literally give me the red cannon is the baby bee, or the demon bee, or the diamond bee, the lion bee, the music bee. Those are the only ones. The other ones, they're just near to impossible to get. So yeah, let's start just... Wait, what was my quest again? I'm not gonna do that quest. From the pine tree... No, I'm just kidding. I want to do this one and get the star egg, but it's like you have to feed 500 treats to your bees. Sorry if there's background noise instead of a song, but you have to feed 500 treats to your bees. So yeah, that's not... Wait, I just had a lot of that. I just had a lot of the ching noise. Mondo Chick has spawned, so let's go to the Mondo Chick. There's Mr. Spider. And he's done. Defeated Spider plus 10 battle points and plus 130 bond. Yeah, bond. Plus 130 James Bond. Okay, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. Let's go up, let's go up. Oh god. Let's go up. There's a Mondo Chick. Ooh, somebody's already on it. Somebody's already be doing it. Looks like it. So my thing is just stand on this corner, since the Mondo Chick can't actually get you when you're in the corner. But once it goes in your shell, your bees, I'll come back to you. I goofed. Oof. Oh yeah, I just goofed. Oh god, that didn't really work. Sorry, I'm just in the mood. Because I don't really talk when I'm playing Bee Swarm. So I'm just kind of like in the mood. to like not talk. And I'm just gonna go up, and then the werewolf is coming. I actually have got the golden egg from the spider cave and the werewolf. I will show you something. You can actually go into here, and then look, there is a golden egg at the end of that, but I already got it. That's why it looked like see-through. I want to get that star jelly in the questing so bad, but I can't get it. Yes, I have completed 15 quests, but let me check if I went way too far. No, it doesn't look like it. Nope. Haven't. So let's go up. Let's go up. It takes quite a bit to go up, since I don't have good boots. So yeah, we don't really have good boots, but we can still get up. And the Mondo chick is just done. It's time. How much damage did I? Oh no, that was this guy. Oh no, that was me. Oh no, that was this guy. Into the corner, so we can attack it without me being sliced into ham by the Mondo chick. That sounded kinda brutal, and I know it would look like it is very brutal. I don't want to get too close to it, boy. So I'm just gonna stay a little distance from it. 2 meters. Yes. Imagine if the Mondo chick was real. How far could you hear those quacks? Or tweets? We're not gonna defeat it in time, are we? We aren't. No, we went off of Roblox. There's nothing. If you actually notice, the Mondo chick is small with its actual egg. It's smaller than the actual egg that it's in when it goes to protection. So look, it's smaller than the actual egg. So I don't know how that works. Wait, what? The Mondo chick's actually in there. I thought it would do is make the Mondo chick disappear and then just catch the egg. Oh god. That's the second time. No. No. I'm only allowing this video to be 10 minutes long, so this isn't really gonna be that good. But we can't get the Mondo chick. We can't get it. But I will, with the last minutes that I have, with the last 2 minutes that I have, I will show you secrets. You see the ticket up here? Well, it's not there since I've already got it. Then you look in, and then there's, whoa. Well, you can actually just go right down here. Yep. And then the ticket should be up here. And then you can just, parkour to get, I think it was a demon mask. Yeah, the demon mask. Or parkour over there to get the royal jelly from over there. As you can see, I'm terrible at parkour. But the second secret is going to be, well, it's gonna be quite obvious, but it is the King Beetle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this one. Quite a lot of people do. But you see these 2 flowers that got on the door? And I don't want to actually be part of anything with the king beetles, because I can't defeat it anyways. But then the last secret that I actually know of, I think this is the last one I know of. Yeah, it's the last one I know of. But it's in here. There's one up there too, but I can't really get up there. There's a maze, and you can get a lot of cool stuff, but I've already got all this stuff. I've already got like a royal jelly, a ticket, some pineapple, yeah, I got all that stuff. So I'm just gonna go here. And as you can see, this one is bigger than me, and my small one isn't. Wow, 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 wow. I think that's the last secret that I remember of. But if you can fire the red cannon, then you will be able to get to like, yeah, you will be able to get up to that stuff. You will be able to get up here. And I once got up there, like on top of the hives. On top of the hives, there's a royal jelly up here, and you can go in here. But somehow, I once stepped on this and I summoned a mythical, like, meteor shot. How does that work? And I was the only one in the server at that time. Have one gifted me to claim one royal jelly. Per gifted me. The music in here. It's so crisp. It's so like I could fall asleep to that. Yeah, I don't have any gifted bees. And then I don't even need a supreme amulet. So yeah. Let's go down to my hive and make the 3,000 that I have. And just to know, it takes literally like half an hour to fill up my backpack with this bubble wand. So yeah. Wait, this is not mine. He almost has the exact same hive as me, and I was like, what? This has gifted bees. Yeah, he's almost the exact same hive. Except I do not have gifted bees yet. I just need to complete Mother Bear's quest that she sent me for Star Egg. Woo! So that's going to be the end of this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!